We have a brilliant idea.
Well, actually, it's Bubut's idea.
Yes. It will make a report fun.
What is it? You can play a game as part of your report.
A game? That will be fun!
Well, you see, we are going to draw famous mountains, hills, and lakes on pieces of paper. Then, we are going to cut them. And then, we're going to label them.
Then you can ask your classmates where those mountains or lakes can be found.
Then, we will ask them to stick the pieces of paper with drawings on our map.
They will not only listen, they will be a part of our report too. Each of us can make a list of the famous hills, mountains, and lakes in our areas.
Okay, I can write down all that can be found in Visayas and Tinay in Mindanao. And Linda, you can list down all that can be found in Luzon.
That is a good idea. We still have 2 sheets of Manila paper that we can cut into 1/10 square meter pieces.
You're right, Linda. I think that size will fit in our maps. And it is also big enough to be seen by the class.
So, how many mountains, hills, and lakes are we going to list down?
I think that depends on how many pieces we can make from 2 sheets of Manila paper.
You can divide 2 by 1/10 meter. First, we put 1 as the denominator of 2. Now, we change the divisor 1/10 into its reciprocal. The reciprocal of 1/10 is 10 over 1. Next, we change the division sign into a multiplication sign. Now, we can multiply.
Aba, ang galing mo na, Bubut. So, 2 times 10 is 20. 1 times 1 is 1. The answer is 20.